SuperCase powered on.
SuperCase is the world's first electric weightless suitcase. It has a special electric weightless system that works when the center of gravity and the rotation axle is close to zero, shifting all the weight onto the motor wheels rather than your arm. So this is why the SuperCase has an interesting U-shaped side-forward design which allows it to move without dragging. No more dragging with the SuperCase means you have close control of the luggage to cut through the cloud with unbelievable maneuverability on any terrain. Also, it can be easily operated by any age, and whether you walk or run or go up a slope, the feeling will always be completely weightless. Additionally, SuperCase has all the smart luggage features like Bluetooth auto locks, GPS locator, digital scale, USB charging ports, and most importantly, we use IATA and FAA approval batteries, and the power pack can be removed to use as a power bank to charge your mobile device. Stay tuned, and we will see you soon on Indiegogo.